In this video, we'll be solving the minimaxsum problem, which comes in the algorithm section of HackerRank. The question is, given 5 positive integers, we have to find the minimum and maximum values that can be calculated by summing exactly 4 of the 5 integers present in the array. Then we have to print the respective minimum and maximum values. Let's understand this through the given input and output. Alright, so our output contains minsum, which is 10, and maxsum, which is 14. So how do we arrive at this output from the given input? First, we can start off by finding the sum of the array, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 15. So the sum contains 5 elements in it, whereas a minsum and maxsum uses only 4 elements. So what we need to do is find a number that can be subtracted from sum to give minsum, and similarly find a number that can be subtracted from sum to give maxsum. So what would this number be? So if you look at our array, we'll see that our minimum value is 1 and maximum value is 5. Now our sum is 15, our min sum is 10, our sum is 15, our max sum is 14. So we know that 15 minus 5 is 10 and 15 minus 1 is 14. So what is this 5 and 1? 5 is our max element in the array and 1 is the min element in the array. So sum minus max is equal to min sum and sum minus min is equal to max sum. And there's our answer. So all we need to do is find sum, find min, find max. Min sum is equal to sum minus max. Max sum is equal to sum minus min. And this will be our algorithm to solve the problem. So let's get started with the coding. So I'll be using a regular array instead of array list. We'll get rid of all this. Alright, so we'll create an array in which the user will input his inputs. The array will always be of size 5. So int r is equal to new int 5. I will ask the user for his inputs. Array of I is equal to scan.nextInt. We'll import the scanner object. So now we'll find sum, min and max. For all of this, we'll have to traverse the array. Alright, let's find the sum first. We'll initialize it to 0. And then we'll traverse the array. And store all the elements one by one. So the sum will give us the total sum of the array. We can write sum plus equal to array of I. Now we have to find min. We can initialize min to the first element of the array. And then if any element is lesser than this min, then that becomes the new min. And we'll do the same thing for max. If any element is greater than this max, then that becomes the new max. So now we have our sum, our min, and our max. What's next? Min sum is equal to sum minus max, and max sum is equal to sum minus min. So we have to print the respective minimum and maximum values. So let's print it. The min value is sum minus max. We separate it with a space. And the max sum is sum minus min. And I guess we are done. And test cases have passed. Let's try to submit. And there's something wrong. So the constraint here says that array of I must lie between 1 to 10 power 9. But int sum cannot hold numbers until 10 power 9. So we'll use long instead. And try to submit again. And now it works.